Happy New Year, guys! So, hindi na kami umalis ngayon. Dito lang kami sa bahay. Open na lang tayo ng mga gifts. What's inside? It's Oh, wow! Oli, nagbablog kaya kami. Pinapakita pa kung paano siya umuwi. Oh, this is so nice.
Sweater and a dress.
Say thank you po. Thank you po. Wait, kanino galing to? Kay mama? Kay mama?
You want the doll?
Oli, kuha ka nito.
One,
Ito naman. More.
three.
Ito mo, namimili ng kulay. Wow!
Happy 2025.
Happy New Year, guys! So, hindi na kami umalis ngayon. Dito lang kami sa bahay. Dahil pagod na pagod kaming lahat. Open na lang tayo ng mga gifts. At dumating na yung mga ibang gifts nila and namin. So, ito, kanina to, from Sandy, Grace, and Kids. Manly. Dito to sa kapitbahay namin. Ito, Austria family. Ito natin.
I found this one. It's for me. I can order.
Ay, wow! Pagkain pala to pa. Pili roll.
Wow.
Parang masarap pa. Thank you po. Wow,
Thank
may
you.
pili roll tayo. Dami nating food, Oli.
Ito naman.
Okay, kanino yan?
From Zian, Kevin, Zane, Kuting, and Susan.
To Ayi, Louie, and Oli. Open, open. Ah, gusto niyo yung pagkain.
Wow.
Ayun kay Daddy. No-open ni Daddy. Ayun, ayun.
Ali, look, look, look.
Ay, food ulit! Wow! Ah, ito.
Bakit to?
Ganyan.
Ali, cake.
Yummy! Parang masarap to ha. Oh.
What's
Wow, yum, yum.
What are you doing?
Oh, Oli, come here.
Ali,
Open.
Ali, come here. Look. Open, open, gifts.
To
Ali.
Olivia from Kuya Kenji.
Ali,
Ito,
Ali, Ali.
Mga pagkain gusto niyo. Liga, liga.
Wow.
Wait, oh.
It's for you, Ali.
Ito, oh.
Wow. For you.
Open niya ate. Look, 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 look. For you.
Saglit.
What's inside? What's that?
What's that?
It's ah?
Cocomelon.
Oh, wow! Again! It's a cocomelon again!
Alright,
Say
that's
thank
it.
you, Kuya Kenji, Kuya GM.
Yippee!
Wow!
Hug Cocomelon.
Hug.
You choose a gift. Random.
Ako muna, Ate V, Kuya Al from Kuting and Family. Ay, wow!
So, Jace.
Sugared lemon and spice, white
I'm just
bar.
kidding.
Uy, parang ang bango.
Do you like it?
Hand soap. Uy, ang bango. Gusto ko to.
Ayun,
White bar. Yan, guys. Thank you, Kuting.
Ali,
Yan, go. Open.
From Kuya Jiam and Kuya Kenji. To me.
Okay.
Ano ito?
Headphones. Uy, ito na. Uy,
Headphones.
okay. Yung pili. Ano to?
Pili roll.
Pili roll.
Kala ko nakasili.
Kain agad siya. Walang ano-ano talaga to si Uli sa pagkain. Ang ganito. Yummy? Yes.
Mommy, headphones. How did they know I like music?
Saan yung galing yan?
Sila Kuya GM, ha? And Kenji.
Lagi ka raw kasi naka-headphone.
And she was looking for her headphones yesterday, ah.
Wow! Headphone talaga. Wow.
Wow.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Mahilig ka sa headphone eh. Oh,
No, music.
oh music.
Ate, this is yours.
Wow!
For you.
Dia to Ate Kring.
Where's the soft? This is
Wow, top. Thank you, Ate Kring.
from Kuya GM. Oh, last gift.
Oli. Wow!
Me turn. My turn. Matching pair. Oh. Matching
Wow.
pairs.
Okay.
My turn. How do I remove the ribbon?
No,
here. Oh, you put that thing.
Oli, nagbablog kaya kami.
Kasi down kasi tayo.
Pinapakita pa kung paano siya umuwi. Nagustuhan niya yung pili. Wow,
Zara?
what's that? Top?
Shirt.
Mga shirt, mga crop top yan, Louis.
Oh my God, finally.
Ang cute naman ito, tapos may ganito.
Wow, white.
What?
Sa'yo,
All of us got
white
clothes.
na t-shirt.
Ollie, Ollie, look, yours! Wow! You want open?
Open?
It's probably closed again.
Uli ka rin lang. Open, open, open. Look, look, look. Open. Wow!
You
So
think
pretty. Leggings and
sweater?
sweater. Oh, this is so nice.
Sweater and the
Oli.
dress. Huh? Dress?
Say thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you, Noah. Wow! Di ba gusto niya?
Cardigan.
Cardigan. Tama. Gusto mo cardigan. Cardigan.
Carnival. I want to go to a carnival. Okay.
Show mo ang ganda. Oh, wala. Oli! Ayan. Cardigan. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, next. Merry Christmas, Bia. Kayo galing to. Uy, kanino galing to? Ay,
Baka
sulat to.
sponsor.
Kay Mama? Kay Mama? Mom. Ganda. Oh, cutting
You want
board.
telephone?
Bamboo cutting board.
Kiss Coco Melon.
And mga
You love
pang
your Coco?
luto-luto. Euroshell.
Open it.
Cup.
Not yet.
Cup. Thank you. Parang sulat ni Mama to. Kay Mama to.
From Bonchoy. Wow! Give me the labubu. Give me the slime. Tapos, a labubu. No, I'm gonna give it to Ali. Wait. Oh, wait. Wait.
What's that?
Slime.
Wait
Wait.
mo na, ate.
Wait, saglit. You want the doll? It's so squishy.
Ang bilis mag-switch. Give. Yes.
No. Yes.
Wow!
Haha, I have bigger slime.
Sino bigay niya si Bonchoy?
Opo. Because you're older than me.
Ang cute! Wow, show mo sa kanila, Oli. Show
Ali,
mo
show.
sa camera. Show.
Show.
Hi, guys. This one I got. I got this one, guys.
Totally not from.
Wow!
She got her own labubu.
Merry Christmas, Kuya Al and Ate Bia. Sam, May, and
I don't care.
Noah.
And remove the foam beads. No.
Wow! Salted egg pa, oh. Salted egg.
Wow.
Salted egg na cornflakes.
Please, I want
Uy, parang masarap to.
It's literally the same.
Ang sarap nito. Feeling ko. Tingnan natin.
Okay, I don't think it's the anymore.
Oh, try. Try daw siya. Ano? Yummy? Nag-iisip pa. Yummy? Good? Yung itsura. Nagulat siya kasi salted egg. Yummy? You like it?
I already opened Bonchoy's gift.
Na-open niyo na? Ito, walang nakalagay. Kalimutan ko to. Kalimutan ko ngayon yung gamit ko.
It's Ollie's world now.
Kay Oli! Ang regalo ni Ate Jing. Ate Jing ata.
Ollie got her
Ayun,
own labubu.
oh, pantulog. This one pa, oh, Oli, oh, look. Wow!
It should be called egg.
Oli, pantulog. Say thank you.
Oh, that's
Thank you.
hard.
Okay, next. This one. Rustans. Ang ganda na ng pambalot ng Rustans. From Bea and Cristel, yung aming interior designer. Maraming salamat. Ganda, nakakaiba na. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan itong Let's open it.
And I did.
Yay!
I did not this one.
Wow! Yung gusto kong ano! Diffuser, yung gamit ko dyan. Yung Serenity. Pero, uy, gin and tonic din.
What is this?
Sakto paubos na yun. Ganun na ganun yun, guys. Yung binili ko. Pero sa online yung sa akin, meron din pala siya sa Rustans. Ayun o. Meron din pala ito sa Rustans. Bango na ito, guys. Ganun na ganun, pati yung gin and tonic din.
Ayun ba yun?
Yung binili ko. Oo nga, same din. Thank you so much, Bea. Studio B&T Designs. Yan. May mga ano pa siya, mga 1 month para mapalitan. This, okay. Akin na, give mo sa akin.
Oh,
Ang galing-galing nito, nakisama kahapon. Di ba nasa labas lang siya? Tapos ang sipag niyang gumanong-ganon ng bubbles. Parang mga 1 hour siyang ganon lang ng ganon. Yun yung task niya that night. Ganon lang siya ng ganon. Tapos serious siya. Let's open it from Fresh Philippines.
I want it.
Wow! So many! Oh, may breath mist na candy cane.
Oh?
Peppermint breast mist. Ay, breast.
Ali,
Breath mist. Ang taray nung breast may mist. Ang cute naman ito. Tinted lip balm. Mga limited edition lang, guys. Wild berries. May lalagyan na siyang kasama para pwedeng nakaano lang. Tapos, Eau de Toilette na Fresh Scent Lab. Ang ganda rin yung regalo, oh. Kasi nakabox na siya, tapos may to and from na. Pwede na. Makeup brush, travel set. Ang in-style nila yung mga pwede lang pang-gift. Tomato glass skin. And ito, cherry almond. Uy, parang masarap to. Scrub. Cherry almond, triple whitening perfume, sugar scrub. Tapos meron pang isa, guys.
Where's all
From Fresh din to. Wow!
Wow.
Sanrio! Kuromi Fragrance Mist. Ang cute! Cinnamoroll. Oh, ito Sanrio. Ang cute ng packaging.
Wow.
Ay, ang cute! Uwi!
Wait,
Ay!
Wow.
Alco spray.
I dibs on this one.
Alco spray to,
I'm
guys.
just kidding. We share all of this.
Meron pa naman. Ayun o, Kuromi. Kuromi na Alco spray. Sanrio. Ito, sanitizer. Kayo kasi hindi naman na kayo nagsasanitizer.
Sorry na. I did.
And this one.
Whoa.
Wow! So big! From My Dia family! Aray! Ano to, guys?
Aircon.
Aircon. Let's open it! Ano, ang dami pa!
Oo nga.
Hindi lang pala siya isang
Isang item.
dami. Ito ay, bread toaster, color white, aesthetic. Ayan siya. Thank you so much, my Dia. Oh, wow. Ay, ang ganda nito pa, ang ganda. Electric kettle. Ayun o, ganyan yung niya, design. Ay, ang ganda.
Anong mag-decide sila?
Oo. Wala, na-happy naman ako. Uy! Coffee maker. Ayun o, puro white. Ang gaganda na. Oh. Coffee maker. Maraming salamat, my Dia. Wala na. Thank you so much po. Ligpit na ligpits. Movie night pa rin sa January 1. Magmo-movie kami. Tapos, order kami ng pizza and yung potato corner papunta pa lang.
May potato corner.
Yung isang saya dun, oh. Si Pizza Girl.
I'm not gonna eat until this potato burger.
No, lalamig na yung pizza nyo.
Yeah, that's gonna be until 8:50. Yeah.
Uy, grabe naman yan mag-eat. Uy,
Is she okay?
mabulunan ka naman
Who wants
yan.
water or soda?
Oh,
This
tamo. Sabi sa'yo eh.
orange juice or chocolate. Light and light or root beer.
Root beer with ice.
Alright. You look like Louis, yeah? That outfit would look like a Mean Girls outfit. Only if it wasn't a dress though. From the behind, it kind of looks like a Mean Girls dress. Alright, how do I open this? On West. Can someone open these two? Ako. Is that the only root beer? Spoon or fork?
Oli?
Spoon and fork, okay. No, spoon or fork. Ay, spoon na lang, spoon na lang. Ay, fork na lang. Joke.
Okay, I will get this.
Fork lang. I mean, spoon lang. Spoon.
I will get all kinds of spoons.
No, Louie, wag. I was joking. Teaspoon lang talaga. Teaspoon na? Ay.
Hurry, the sodas are getting hot.
Oh.
Daddy, you want soda, root beer?
No.
No.
Louie, put it in ice.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, let's go shopping. Oops. Ate, kuha ka ng basket. Ayun. Alam mo? Oh, busy siya, oh. Alam niyang mga malengke siya. Oli, kuha kang carrots.
Get carrots.
Saka na yan. Ah.
Carrots.
Kuha ka ng 2.
Two
Go.
carrots. You need help? One. One more. One more.
Ito pa.
Which one?
Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ang tawag dyan.
Huh?
Pechay Bagyo.
No?
Yan.
How many?
1. Lagyan mo kay Louie. O kay Oli. Yun mo na. Yung sayote.
How many?
3.
Can you count? One. Hey, good job.
Oli, kuha ka nito.
Get this.
Oli, kuha ka nito. 2. Get 2.
One. One more.
Ah. Ito naman.
Get this.
Kuha ka nito.
One.
More.
3.
More.
4.
More. O, ito mo, namimili ng kulay. Orange lang kinukuha niya. Sige, go. More. Sige pa, marami tayong magkamatis. More. More, please. More, please. More, please. More. Ano, nainip ka na, ano? Saka na yan. More. Last one.
Last one.
Pumipili pa, oh. Ah, good job. Ah, ito naman, kalamansi. Saan pupunta yun? Oli,
Ali.
baba mo na si Oli. Oli, ah.
So much food.
Ay, wag tapal. Ah. Ay, ikaw na lang sa kalamansi para mabilis.
How many?
Mga 10 or 15. Lagay mo yun dun. Lagay mo sa basket. Okay na yan.
Okay.
Oli, ah.
Kasi
Patol,
we
ah.
don't, kasi we don't need it that much. So.
Oli, ah. Oli, ah. Ano to? Ano yan? What's that? What's this? Eggplant. Lagay mo na sa basket. More onions. Hi guys and girls. Di mo tuloy-tuloy yung vlog na. Laging pag nabibitawan, nakakalimutan na. Pero kahapon kasi naglinis kami dun sa kwarto. Wala katapos ang linis na. Ganun talaga. Parang pause-pause na kagad ako.
Wait, ask ate.
Yung pinamalengke kasi namin kanina, yun na yung niluto ni Bia kanina na yung nilaga. Tapos ngayon si Bia, nasa taas. Walking. Pagkatapos na ako naman. Kailangan na mag-slim down ngayong 2025. Sana talaga. Mapaniligan. Ayan siya. Tapos, tayo naman. Dito muna tayo sa laptop. Magre-review para dun sa mga brands naman. Buti sakto yung pares ng naisip namin ni Bia kahapon. Nasakto niya eh. Sabi niya mag-walking daw ulit kami. Sabi ko, yun nga dapat ang sasabihin ko sa kanya. Kasi nga, parang nabibigatan na ulit ako sa katawan. Kaya, kailangan magbawas ng mga kinain ngayong holiday.